Hello, guys. This is Paul McMillan II. Welcome to another live Asia session. So it's Sunday and the market opened up about a little bit over an hour ago. Excuse me. So it's December 21st. And I don't think we have any major news because it's Sunday. We have no major news today. Making a paper trade now. Let's go ahead and get started here. Make sure this isn't too late. So let's see if we can develop our bias in the daily candle. It looks like this looks like consolidation to me. Looks like consolidation to me. Not really a lot of volume. So we can't develop our bias off of consolidation, not necessarily. Well, see here. A little bit of volume, a little bit of volume, but not really. But the big close bullish. But yeah, we can't really develop the bias off of that. That's not really a lot of value there. So let's go to the 4 hour. Now, 4 hour, we can see that price is closing bullish here with a lot more volume. So that's actually good to see. So now let's go ahead and mark up our buy side and sell side liquidity. So we had sell side liquidity here, but we had a sweep that wiped out this low here. And then we have our sweep here. This price sweeped out this previous highs here. The sell side. But the buy side right now. Go ahead and mark up our point of interest with our most recent fair value gap. So this is our most recent 4 hour fair value gap here. So that's what we want to mark up because we got liquidity here and we got liquidity here. So this is our fair value gap here. And most recent fair value gap, which is our point of interest. All right, so we're gonna mark that up. Now we got liquidity on both sides here. Now price did raid this top liquidity here. So and then it rated this low. So it's probably looking like that price wants to go bullish. But let's look at the 1 hour here. Okay. So when we look at the 1 hour, so we have a 1 hour fair value gap here. The price did raid this liquidity here, and it did raid this liquidity here. So we are over, looks like we are, yeah, we're overall bullish and currently bullish as well. So this is our 1 hour fair value gap. So it would make sense that we will wait for price to pull back to this 1 hour fair value gap before we even consider entering into the market. So based on that, we're going to go to the 15-minute time frame. And so we got the 1 hour fair value gap, but we also have a 15-minute fair value gap here as well. So I want to see price pull back to this fair value gap before I even consider entering, because theoretically, we want to enter in at the lowest price. We don't want to enter in at a high and the price pulls back on us and put us in a lot of drawdown. It'd be better to wait for price to manipulate this fair value gap and continue to go up further. Now, let's say price decides to invalidate this fair value gap in this way. Then we could probably target this low and make this the TP. If price decides to go the opposite direction, we could target this low here realistically. So this would be TP1. And then we could probably make this 4-hour fair value gap. Actually, we could make this TP2. Oops. We can make this TP2. And we could probably make this 4-hour fair value gap. But since we're overall bullish, the price invalidates this fair value gap. We can reasonably say that it'll probably go down to this area here before you can go back up. So then we put target that. So this would be TP1 if price decides to do that. But if price invalidates, if price manipulates this fair value gap, then we can expect it to go up. I would say reasonably this far. Maybe we could probably target that this might be, this is external liquidity. So then we can actually make this TP1. And then we can make this TP2 realistically. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this to the right so you can see it. Then at the bottom, let's say TP2 is for this, you know. So that's where we could try to target. So that's what I would want to see. I would want to see price really come down and manipulate this fair value gap. Liquidity should be coming in about 8 o'clock, so we'll just wait there. So I will be right back. All right, so here's an update. Now, price did hit our first TP, but when it hit our first TP, it didn't do a sweep. So that's why price pulled back. We have a little bit of a sweep here. I might go ahead and just take a trade. It won't hurt, but we had a small sweep here. So I'm going to try to hit this TP up here. Put my stop loss here. 82 ticks. Stop loss in the 8s TP. We're going to do 5 contracts. So let's see if we hit our target up here. We'll adjust this. And we'll adjust my stop. All right, so if we end up into some profit, it's a very good profit, and get close to our target, then I will resume this recording. But I see a little bit of a sweep here, sweep rejection candle. We didn't necessarily get a fair value gap close as far as like imbalance sitting up, but we'll give it a shot. And we'll just see. I will be right back. You might be getting somewhere. You might be getting somewhere. So if I get to a little bit over $200 in profit, I'll probably close the trade. But if we get a little close to our TP, then I'll probably take the TP. So let's see if we get enough volume for major session. So we'll see. I will be right back. A little bit over $200 in profit, well, almost $200 in profit. Let's see if we can get a little bit more. So yeah, we have 250 now. I even TP. Hold on, I'll be right back. All right, so let's see if we hit the TP. We're passing it, hit the TP, so we did it. So let me go ahead and document my results with the team and then close this. I'll close the session. I'll be right back. All righty, guys. So that's it for this session. We ended up in our TP. So we did good. So we waited for sweep, injection candle, fair value got close. We got it. So we are done for tonight. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.